Ready to level up and learn a language that opens doors across the world? They'll come into German 2 with Scout from the University of California. You've already got the basics. Now, let's make it real. Take your German beyond the classroom. Talk about your life, your ideas, your world. Write natural-sounding text messages and emails. Navigate German-speaking countries like you belong there. Prepare for school, work, and everything in between. Auf Deutsch. It's a fully immersive experience, exploring real daily life, cultural traditions, and everything that makes German-speaking countries unique. Every lesson brings you closer to authentic culture and real conversations.
Auf Wiedersehen.
You'll meet characters straight out of Germanic folklore. Their authentic conversations show you new grammar and vocabulary in action. Taught by experienced instructors in both English and German, this course meets top language standards. So, ready to say more than just Danke? Du schaffst das. You've got this. Join German 2 with UC Scout and start your journey today.
Yes.